Pamukkale, meaning cotton castle in Turkish. The area is famous for a carbonate mineral left by the flowing of thermal spring water. This area is famous for visitors because of its thermal springs since the time of classical antiquity. Cotton Castle refers to the shimmering, snow-white limestone, shaped over millennia by calcite-rich springs, dripping slowly down the mountainside. Mineral-rich waters collect in and cascade down to mineral terraces, into pools below. Terraces are made of travertine, a sedimentary rock deposited by mineral water from the hot spring. There are 17 hot springs in this area, with temperatures ranging from 35 to 100 degrees Celsius.